Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Desi Cycle. Today we are doing a DIY video where we will be making a chainstay protector using an old tube. So let's get into the process. As you see, there is already a chainstay protector on my chainstay. This is the part which can get scratched if your chain is jumping too much or you're riding on trails where there are too many bumps, and it can leave scratches on your chainstay. So what I've used over here is I've cut an old tube and rotated it across the chainstay and then tied it up at the ends using a zip tie. You can do this without zip tie as well, but it takes a little bit more hassle. I prefer using a zip tie because it is easier. I'll show you a demo of on how to do this on the other side of the frame because this side already has a chainstay and I don't want to ruin it. First thing to do is you cut the tube into two parts. Like you open the tube by cutting it at a single point. So if you see, it's not a round tube anymore. And the second thing you do is you measure the distance, the length to which you want to apply this part. So we have a stand over here, so we want to do it with this much part, right? So this is the length till which we want to make a chainstay. You will see that we have cut a length of the chainstay to apply. Now what we want to do is we want to cut it through this side as well, so that we can apply it on the chainstay. Okay, so we have cut the chainstay into a flat piece from the tube, flat piece of rubber from the tube. And now all we need to do is we need to apply it like this. Bring it, if you notice it carefully, I'm pulling it underneath the cable, and then you just keep it like this, and then you apply 3 zip ties, one over here. I'll just get the zip ties and continue. And we have tied all the 3 chainstays, 3 parts of the chainstay using a zip tie. And to give it a cleaner cut, we just remove these 3 parts using a scissor or a knife. So all we need to do is just cut the part so that it does not communicate with the chain in any way and make unnecessary noise or an irritating noise which you don't want. Done. And all we need to do is do this, and you have your DIY chainstay protector ready. It should not take you more than 10 minutes. If it is taking you longer than 10 minutes, then you're doing it wrong. So that's it from us today. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video and you'll apply it to your bike as well. Till then, happy cycling, and do share, like and subscribe with your friends who want to protect their cycles from scratches, and we'll come up with more videos like this.